Hello. I am here with a very special video today. Not X-rated, fat bastard. We don't want to see that. I have a new slider from Aurora EDC on Etsy. And it's come today. I'm currently sitting on the floor in the cat room, surrounded by all different cats. I don't exactly know why people really enjoy watching my videos, but I thought, you know, what better way than just being surrounded by all my furry lovelies. I love this one. This one always looks disgusted when I kiss her. Watch her face. I always like do these crazy intros and then I review the Fidget and then I send it to the people and they're like, that was amazing. And I'm like, okay. So, new on Etsy. I'm not exactly sure what these things go for. But they said that it's a mini 3-click with N54 magnets in the corners and 35s in the middle. That's great. It's a hybrid setup. They're working on stainless steel composite. It's a mini because they wanted something small and grippy. These look really fantastic. Looks like on the Etsy shop, they've done like 26 sales. Right now I don't see anything on there, but let's see. Oh, shipping will be free. Sheba, look guys. Gotta love treats. Oh, it actually comes in a tin. Okay, cool. Aurora EDC. Thank you, Melanie. I hope you enjoy it. Facebook group, Aurora EDC. I'm gonna put that link in the description. Then we got a sticker. These are nice. I'm digging it. Oh, I feel it. It is small. Cat. Oh. I am really in love with PLA sliders now. I think, and I'm gonna have a lot of haters, but I like them better than metal. I like them better than metal sliders now. They're more affordable. I can't be spending so much money on fidgets. I'm gonna like be homeless. And then also, a lot of times they're just as good, and you don't have to worry about losing them. Oh, it's clicky. Aurora. Always gotta have the texture plates. Oh my God. Very well done. Wow. Wow. Okay. This is very well done. Okay, Sheba, do you want to see? Sheba likes it. Oh, that's all I gotta say. All right, thank you guys for watching. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, first of all, grip factor. Super grippy. But what I really like is that, you know, you've got a lot of spots for your thumb and also like the side spots to push off on. Fingers, thumb. It's light, but heavy. I mean, I don't know. I love this design. Why is it so good? And it is small. Ah, shit. I'll put it next to my nose. I'm gonna have to show you guys a top-down view and compare it to some other sizes of like like maybe like Fidget Boy and like other stuff like that, so you can kind of see. I actually think I'm digging the size. Very, very pocketable. The magnet strength is really good. Perfect hybrid makeup. Really, really good. I wonder how much these cost. Usually it's like 35, 40 bucks, but I'm not sure how much they're gonna cost. Looks like it's fully encapsulated. Does look like it. I'm gonna have to turn it around and show you guys, but it doesn't look like there's any glue. Is there? I'll have to ask. Okay, so magnet strength. I can do that around, I can do the round the world trick. Trying to be fancy. See? So I think the magnet strength is actually perfect. You got strong clicks. You really gotta chuck it. God, this thing is really fucking good. Absolutely no stick on the plates. Zero stick. Slides like perfectly smooth. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn the camera around for a closer look, and I'm gonna compare the size and shape to some of the other fidgets out there. But I'm gonna tell you right now, it's got Shiba's seal of approval. Shiba? Okay, let me turn the camera around. Yo, okay, here she be. Really nice tin. Okay, I really want to show you guys what this looks like up close, and then I wanted to compare it to a slew of other well-known 3D printed sliders. This is incredibly smooth. There are no hard parts at all. Not sure if this is encapsulated or glued on. It might be glued on. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, it might be glued on. That looks like it might be. There's a difference between fully encapsulated, meaning that they stop the printing, put the magnets in, and then continue printing, or just glue one piece to the other. From what I was told by Fidget Boy, that it changes. It changes the feel of the slider. Now I'm gonna tell you, I have gotten to the point where I can really tell a lot about a slider by how it looks when somebody else plays with it. So I'm gonna try to do the sextant slide. Okay. I try to do the round the world. I'm not really good at that. I like to do the ladder. So let me show you a couple of different sliders. Well-known one, Fidget Boy. Thinner, about the same length. These cats though. He's got swirl plates on here. Both 3-click. Feels like these magnets are stronger. I've also got the Dune. This is not the Swoop, this is the Dune. Dune's a little longer and definitely wider. So this thing is definitely very thin it definitely is mini, but that's part of the allure. This is more crunchy, but not as strong as this again. We got the Ronin. long and thin. Plates feel a little smoother on this one. Magnet strength feels about the same. I've got 3DC printings, Apex Slider. This one's very close. The big difference with this baby is very light magnets and not clicky. And then of course we've got some Verks. I really wanted to bring the Verk into this because, you know, it's a well-known slider, and also he came out with a mini Verk. Now I liked the mini Verk, but I didn't think it performed as well as the regular size one. Now, this is like the new Verk. He made a bunch of different styles. He changed it up so many times, but a lot of people have these, and so I thought, these I like, but it's very scratchy. These edges tended to be sharp. So here's the mini Verk. I think this is pretty close. Very close. But there's something about the magnet configuration. Maybe this because it's thinner. This one didn't work out too well because the magnets, it was very strong and tight. It feels just a little bit restrictive. This one works really well, I think. Now, it does take a little bit getting used to it being smaller, but I kind of like that it's inconspicuous. Although, selfishly, I would like it to be silent because this way I can use it around my wife. But it performs so well. I have to say that this is like a very top contender. Definitely. I would say it's definitely better than the Apex. The Apex was just a little bit... The Ronin, I love the way the plates feel, but I don't know. The long, thin structure of the Ronin made it a little bit awkward. I mean, I like it a lot though, but I have to say that the Fidget Boy ones are top tier. Especially the Dune. Like, that is like quality shit. So it's not as good as the Dune, but the original Verk, it might not have been as good as, but these new ones, I do think it beats it. The original Verk was pretty classic, but I'm not here to just compare. I just wanted to show you guys size comparisons with some of the other well-known, you know, size and performance comparison. I like it because it's thin. It's a design I've never seen before. It's small, but the magnet makeup is very, very good. These things have gotten so fucking good. It's insane. See? I love that it flicks around like that. God. I just like it a lot. Okay. Aurora EDC. I did get this product for free to review, but that did not sway my opinion. This thing is awesome. Oh, look, it's magnetic. I would highly, highly, highly suggest checking this guy out. Thank you guys so much for watching.